Well, hello YouTubers! And we are at my parents' house today. So, to be exact, we are in their downstairs basement bathroom. And you guessed it, we are going to install a new shower head. And this is their old one. Well, I think it's time for a new one. What do you think? Well, I think it's time for a new bathroom renovation too, but shh, you didn't hear that from me. Take a look at our new Moen Shower Head. You can pick this up at any of your local hardware store. So let's open it up to see what we have. First, we have a nice new shiny shower head. Then we have our shower hose. Now notice, we have two rubber gaskets. Then we have our shower arm mount. And this comes with another rubber gasket with a screen. Alright, the first thing we do is shut off our main water source. We rotate clockwise to shut off all water. This is the nut that we're going to be turning counterclockwise. Now we use our blue adjustable wrench to hold the shower arm. You can use a towel to wrap around the arm if you're afraid of scratching your finish. In our case, we're just going to be very careful. Then, with our red adjustable wrench, we turn the nut counterclockwise. You may need a little extra muscle for this one. Now that the head is off, you can clean up around the thread area. You can also put new Teflon tape if it calls for it. In our case, we didn't need to. So notice where we install one of the rubber gaskets. Now we install the mount arm, turning clockwise. We just hand tighten it. Notice how we install the second gasket at the end of the hose. Then installing it into the mount arm, turning clockwise. We also hand tighten it. Got this end here, we've got the shower head here, so then we're going to put this gasket, another gasket right here. Okay, this is going to go inside right there, and we just put the shower head in. That rotate. Okay. Okay, that's it. I'm going to put right in here, and I think we're set. Okay, let's turn the water back on to test if there's any leaks.
Oh, nice, it works.
It turned off now. Okay, looks like everything is good. So if my video has helped you out, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.